Hi there, my name is Gijs and in this video I will show you exactly how to use XE Money Transfer. I will go over every single step from creating and verifying your XE Money Transfer account to how to do an international money transfer using XE Money Transfer with the lowest fees possible. I will also share with you how you can get a €20 discount on your first transfer. So if you want to send money to another country with the lowest fees possible and with a discount, then make sure to watch this video until the end and follow along with every single step that I'll show you in this video. With that being said, let's get right into it. So in order to get started, first go ahead and click on the link down in the description. That will take you to the Send Money page right here. That is my affiliate link, but it's of no additional cost to you and it will save you some time and you can actually get a €20 discount, and I'll show you how to get that in a minute. Now I do recommend following along on a desktop so that you can follow every single step that I'll show you in this video. Now after clicking on the link down in the description, in this page what you want to go and do first is select the destination country. So you can pick any of the countries that you see right here. So they have a bunch of different destination countries to actually send money to. There are over 200 countries that you can actually send money to right here. Now you'll see that there are no fees on your first transfer when sending to certain countries if you click on the link down in the description to get started. So here simply choose your destination country and then go and choose your own currency. So you can do that right here under the Use Send section. So for me right now it is set to the US dollar, but you can pick any currency here, so US dollar, euro, British pound or any of these other ones right here. Now I am from the Netherlands, so what I will do is select the euro right here. Now for the destination country in this example I will go with Pakistan. Now you will see the rate right here. So €1 gets me 298.9479 Pakistani rupees. Now I've compared the exchange rates that XE offers with Remitly and Wise in other videos on my channel, and XE Money Transfer actually offers the best exchange rates in the tests that I did. Now you also see the sending fee in this country is €0 and the delivery is typically within minutes. Now next here, just choose how much you would like to send in your currency, or you can choose how much the recipient will receive in their currency. Now for this example, I will just say that I want to send €100. Now here you can choose how you would like to pay. So for me it's set to by debit card, but I can also choose a credit card or a bank transfer. So for example, I will go with a credit card. Now if you actually want to get the €20 discount that I talked about earlier, then what you want to go and do is here in the bottom left, if you're on the desktop, click on Get a €20 gift card. So once you click on that, you will see Unlock a €20 gift card with your first global transfer. And all you need to do to claim this is enter your email address right here. So simply enter the email address that you are going to use to sign up anyways. And then click on Receive My Promo Code. Now it will say thank you, check your email for your code, and then click continue, and then later we can actually use that code for the discount. But for now let's just click on sign in and send right here. Now since it's our first time using XE, we will need to choose if we are going to use a personal or business account. So if you want to send money personally for example a vacation, for family support, or for whatever personal reason you have, then you want to go and set it to personal. However, if you're using it to, for example, pay freelancers or your employees in other countries, then you can go with a business account. For this example, I will go with personal. So in order to get started, simply enter your email address and password. And then go and click on continue. Now next, go to your email inbox again and just enter the verification code that you got. So simply paste in that code right here and then click on continue. Now where do you live? So your country of residence. So this is where you are registered, so your registered home address. So just pick one of the countries here. For me it is the Netherlands, so I'll just keep it to Netherlands, but you just want to go and select your country. You need to agree to XE's terms and conditions, and you can read those by clicking on it right here, and then also their privacy policy. So then click continue. And now the final step in creating your account is adding in your personal information. So that's your first and last name, your date of birth and your phone number. And then after you click on continue, you will see this. So tell us your money transfer preferences to help us set up your account. So if you want to send money to several different countries, and here just select the pairs that you want to do for your first transfer. So you send will for me be euro, and then the recipient gets, in this case, I would go with the Pakistani rupee since I want to send to Pakistan. So in this list, I'm just going to find the Pakistani rupee right here and click on it. Now, how much euro or US dollar, whatever currency you use, do you expect to send per year? Just make a guess right here. For example, I'll just go with up to 5,000 and click continue. Finally here, enter your home address. So here you can simply start typing and then it will show some options. If it doesn't show your address, just click on enter manually right there. So then once you click on continue, you will see that now they are creating your account and this should take no longer than 30 seconds. Now in the meantime, you will see that in my email inbox, I got this email right here. So I've got the code MY20 for a free €20 gift card when you make your first money transfer. So now you have got that discount code and you do need to send a minimum amount in order to receive that discount code, but that depends on which currency you use. For now, let's go back to XE Money Transfer, and now here you will see secure your account. To keep your account secure, we will sometimes ask you for confirmation by sending a message to your mobile phone. Can we use your mobile phone number ending in whatever your phone number is? So I'll click use this number. Then here you will see a verification code, so simply enter the code that has been sent to your phone number and then click on verify. So now we have created our XE Money Transfer account. Now we can actually get into sending money internationally. So in order to do this, simply go and click on send money either right here in the middle or in the top left. Then here select your destination country. So again here you can just choose any country that is available. Now again I'll go with Pakistan. So then click continue. Now here you can choose how much you would like to send, so I will keep it at 100 euros since that's how much I would like to send, but you can pick any amount right here. Then here you can choose to pay with debit card, credit card, or with a bank transfer. I will go with a credit card. Then here you can choose how the money will be delivered to your recipient. So either into their bank account, they can pick it up at one of the cash pickup locations, or into their mobile wallet. So some countries use mobile wallets a lot, so then you can also deposit it into one of those. But for this example, I will go with a bank account and then click on continue. Now, who are you sending the money to? So yourself, someone else, or a business? I will go with someone else. Then here enter your recipient's full name, their nickname if they have one, and the reason for the transfer. Now you can also choose to include a payment reference if you need this. So for the reason for sending, you have all of these options right here. So just pick whichever one applies to you. For example, I will say family support and click continue. Now next up, choose your recipient's bank, enter their IBAN, BIC or SWIFT, and their bank name should be filled in automatically based on the IBAN that you enter right there. So after entering these details, click on continue. Now here, enter the recipient's address. So again, you can use the search bar here or enter it manually. Then next up, enter the recipient's ID number type, their city, and optionally you can choose to add their postal code. Then here, how would you like to pay? So again, credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. I will go with credit card. And then here, simply add your credit card details. So if you chose a bank account, then you will need to enter some different details. For example, if I go with bank transfer here, you will get details where you can send money to. And then if you chose a bank transfer, simply go and click on confirm and send, and then actually go and pay for the transfer. And once you have paid for it, then usually, as you can see right here, it will arrive in the recipient's bank account within minutes. So after confirming it and paying for it, you have successfully transferred the money. So now if you want to send money to that same person again, then what you can do is here go to the recipient section, and then here you will then see the recipient and you can simply click on them in order to send money to them again. So now you know exactly how to use XE Money Transfer to send money internationally. Again, if you want to get started, then click on the link down in the description and that will take you to the send money page. From there, in certain countries you don't even need to pay any fees in order to send money, and you can get the €20 discount by doing what I showed you in this video. If this XE Money Transfer tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.